I'm excited to introduce to the ADR Top Doctors program, Dr. Jason Cuéllar. Jason is located in Palm Beach, Florida, and Miami, Florida. He was my fellow and partner for 7 years. He is now relocated there with his family, and he has an excellent experience with disc replacement surgery. The ADR Top Doctors program is developed as I hand select surgeons who have competent expertise in artificial disc replacement, cervical or lumbar. And each one of those doctors is pre-selected to be part of the program and enables you to find doctors in your region or location that are competent in artificial disc replacement surgery, because a lot of you have trouble finding doctors. I'm happy to see you out here in Los Angeles. I am licensed in Florida as well, but it's good to see you here or there.